Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the rows you want to standardize. Click and drag for contiguous rows or hold Control for scattered selections. Make sure the sheet isn't protected. Once done, think about the exact height you need, pixels or points like 20px or 15pt. You need that number to make rows identical. Next, open the row height dialog via Home or right-click. This first actionable step sets the numeric value that you will apply to every selected row. Now apply the height you picked. With rows selected, right-click any row header and choose Row Height, type the number, and press OK. That forces exact uniformity. Alternatively, use Home format row height for keyboard-oriented work. If you prefer content-based sizing, auto-fit first, identify the tallest resulting row, and then set that tallest value across all rows so nothing clips. Make sure to reselect the same rows if you clicked elsewhere before applying the final value. Finish by verifying formatting that can override size. Turn off wrap text and inspect merged cells because they often prevent a uniform appearance. If a row refuses to change, unmerge its cells and clear wrap, then reapply your chosen height. That usually fixes it. For large sheets, use a short VBA macro to loop through the range and set row height to your number, which enforces consistency. If issues persist, check for hidden rows or worksheet protection and address those settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.